A checkbox is a symbol or interactive control that allows users to mark items as selected or completed. It is commonly used in checklists, forms, and surveys, either for manual printing or digital interaction. MS Word offers multiple methods to insert checkboxes, ranging from simple symbols and bullet styles to advanced interactive checkboxes using developer tools. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways on how to add checkbox in Microsoft Word. Method 1. Insert checkboxes using Bullet Library. This method is ideal for creating checklists that will be printed and filled out manually. Here are the following steps to insert checkboxes for printed documents. On Microsoft Word, select where you want to place the checkbox. Then access the Bullet List tool in the Home tab. Under the Paragraph section, click the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets button. Select Define New Bullet from the drop-down menu. In the Define New Bullet window, click on Symbol. Choose a checkbox symbol like a square or tick box from the symbol library and click OK. Click OK again to apply the checkbox as the bullet style. Type your list items and each will automatically include a checkbox as the bullet. Method 2. Use symbols to insert checkboxes. If you need a quick way to add checkboxes without making them interactive, using symbols is an easy solution. This method works well for creating non-interactive checklists in Word. Here are the following steps to insert symbol checkboxes in Word. Click where you want to insert the checkbox. Go to the Insert tab and click on Symbol. Here, it shows recently used symbols. Select More Symbols from the drop-down menu to show more symbols. In the Symbol window, choose a font like Wingdings or Sego UI symbol. Scroll to find a checkbox symbol and click Insert. Repeat as needed to add more checkboxes by accessing the recently used symbols, or you can simply copy and paste. Method 3. Add checkboxes using developer tools. Interactive checkboxes in Word allow users to digitally confirm or approve sections of a document, including signatures. Here's how to add checkboxes in Word. If the Developer tab is not visible, click File and go to Options. Select Customize ribbon. In the right-hand column, check the box for Developer and click OK. Here's our Developer tab now. Next, place your cursor where you want the checkbox. Then go to the Developer tab and click on the Checkbox Content Control button, a square with a check mark inside. This will now insert interactive checkbox. Repeat the same steps to add another interactive checkbox. This covers how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Word. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.